So it's all kind of about the style. It's sort of very murky. I don't know how to put it. We need to ban kids. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna go b6 here. Play the same stuff. Let's go c5 here. Play knight b8 or knight c7. Yeah, actually, we're on emote mode, so I can't really answer your questions, you guys. But I think, I would just say that I would say objectively, yeah, I mean, Faustino's going to be great. We'll see how good he becomes. I mean, I think it's still way too early. Like, he could just be like a 2500 GM for all we know, but he's on a very good trajectory right now. Go here. Okay, he goes there. I mean, I can obviously take. I mean, I think I'm just going to go bishop e7. Okay, let's try to trade some queens here, maybe go into an endgame. I wonder something here. He goes there. I can obviously trade. I don't really want to. I guess I will, though. Let's go here. My knight's kind of misplaced a little bit. I do have c4, maybe. Actually, yeah, let's go. Oh, no, is this just a bad move by me? Maybe it's not. It's probably okay. Yeah, it's okay, but I mean, I'm a little bit lucky. I've got this rook c8, which I missed. I was going to go b5, missing a4, but luckily I have this trick. Let's go here, I guess. I should have played bishop a3 and b5. What are you doing? But I still get a6. I'm going to get b5. I should be better here eventually. Let's go h6, stop any weirdness here. We'll go here. I'm probably going to go b5 at some point here. I don't love the position, but I think it's acceptable. Let's go b5. Oh, he can just... Got rook a1, which I also just missed completely. Great, just great. Go here. I have to figure out how to win this. I can go f5. Yeah, I think I'm going to go f5 here and takes. I think this makes sense, kind of. In so much as this is a move that I can play. In so much. Go here, get rid of this pawn. g5 I just take. There's also f5. I mean, wait, what? Takes, knight c3. He just blundered this. Still not trivial. He still is like rook b2, but I think he just blundered the pawn. I should be winning here, I think. Yeah, he just blundered the pawn, and he's way down on time, so. g4, get rid of the weak g-pawn. Again, not sure this is right, because there's some king g3, but who cares? Okay, let's just take, I guess. Okay, pushing p now. I've got h3, h2, h1. I have rook h8 somewhere, or rook a8, I should say. Yeah, it's getting too low on time. I think I'll go like here maybe, tickle the king. King g4. Okay, so I'll tickle the king again. I think I have knight f6 is what I want to play, but it doesn't do anything. Let's go here maybe. I can't play knight d5 because then he gets rook a1 that draws. Let's go here. Guard the pawn. Let's go back. Because now f5 I just take. I will win this game, but I'm not very happy with my play. Then again, when am I ever happy with my play? Go here, hit the knight. Like, even at CCT, you guys probably noticed, like, I was almost never happy even when I won, just because, like, the quality and the way I was playing was not up to the level that I expect to play at. That's the way, I like it, That's, oh, wait, what? Wait a sec. Okay, I'm probably still winning, but geez. Jeez, that was bad. Okay, but now I can go like here and take. There's also b4, b3, which I think is better. And now I just start pushing P and keep pushing P and C. Good check. Check and B2. There we go. That's the way.